Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how I do my nail swatches. I have 22 new gel colors from the gel bottle, including one builder gel. And so I'm going to show you how I do those, as well as how I label them and how I display them for the salon. If you'd like to see that, then keep on watching. Why am I doing this? I start by laying everything that I need out, including my colors, the lamp, a Scott towel, top coat, swatches, and the label maker. I then lay out each individual swatch that I'll need for the new colors, and I will first start with creating the individual labels first. So this is the Dymo label maker. You can find this on Amazon. It's the Letra Tag version, and I use clear labels. So the tape that you put in on the top, the one I use is clear. Now I only use this machine to label my swatches, and I only use a gel bottle. So I always keep the abbreviated version of the brand on the left, so TGB, and then I'll just go in and replace the name each time, and I will cut them in between. I know that there is a label maker that you can print multiple at a time. It saves so much more time, it's much faster, but this is what I have and it works just fine for now. So from there, I will go and place each individual label on a swatch stick, and I'll apply them all at once. That way that's out of the way, and then I'll continue to applying the actual product onto the swatch. Then I will take a few colors at a time, and I usually separate them depending on their tone. So I'll do all yellows or all greens together, all pinks together, all blues together, etc. So right now I'm starting with these three colors, and I'm going to pop those in the lamp once I'm done the first coat, and then I'll continue with another round of different shades. Alright, now we'll go ahead and do the second coat of color. I'll pop it in the lamp for another 60 seconds, and then I'll move on. Then I'll finish this group of swatches off with the Extreme Shine Top Coat from the gel bottle. Then I will repeat those exact same steps with the next batch of colors. once I've done the top coat, I will go ahead and place them in their little spots on their rings on my display, and I'll sort them out by tone. And there you have it. That is my process for my nail swatches. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments.